Every day you perform a ritual. You don't think about it, you just do it. It's a mechanical click, a tactile lock that holds your world together.
We spend billions on high-tech fibers and smart fabrics, but our most vital invention isn't digital. It's a simple circle of plastic, bone, or metal.
Welcome to the forensic history of the everyday. I'm your host, and today we are looking at the device that literally invented the fit.
Before the button, humanity was loose. We were draped in tunics and wrapped in cloaks. We were held together by pins that poked us and belts that bound us. We were unfinished.
For 3,000 years the button existed, but it was useless. It was just jewelry sewn onto a sleeve for show. Then, in the 13th century, someone in Central Europe did something radical. They cut a hole. The buttonhole was the microchip of the Middle Ages. It changed everything. Suddenly, clothes could be tight. They could follow the curves of the human body. But there was a catch. Buttons were expensive. In the 1800s, if you saw a woman with 30 tiny buttons down her back, it told you one thing. She was rich enough to have a servant dress her. The button wasn't just a fastener, it was a class system. In America, we turned the button into an empire. In places like Muscatine, Iowa, we pulled billions of shells from the Mississippi River to clothe the world. But then came the 1950s. We traded shell and bone for cheap plastic. We moved from heirlooms to disposables. Today, we throw away a $60 shirt because a 5-cent button fell off. But why do they fall off? Because factory machines are designed for speed, not physics. When a button sits flush against the fabric, there's no room for the other side of the shirt to go. The tension snaps the thread. It's a design destined for the landfill. The analog fix is the toothpick trick. By placing a small spacer over the button while you sew, you create a shank, a neck of thread. This tiny gap allows the fabric to sit comfortably, reducing tension to zero. A button sewn this way will outlive the shirt itself. We live in a world of new, but we are starving for the real. When you pick up a needle and fix a single button, you aren't just repairing a shirt. You are reclaiming your autonomy from a world of fast fashion waste. You are becoming a producer, not just a consumer. There is beauty in the mundane, if you know where to look. Next time, we go deeper into the hardware store to find the physics